everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Very easy to make and very tasty, delicious vegetarian pizza, cheese pizza, very crunchy. This is so easy to make and it's super delicious. And today I'm going to share with you how to make it delicious cheese pizza. And let's get started. These are the ingredients I'm going to use to make a dough. 2 cup all-purpose flour, which is maida, half cup vitamin D milk, and it's a lukewarm microwave for 20 seconds. If you have warm milk, that is fine. If not, put it in the microwave and we're going to give 20 seconds. And this is good enough. Half teaspoon each sugar, salt and baking powder, then vegetable oil and homemade dahi. The first step will be get a mixing bowl, get a big sieve. Only reason we're doing it, we're going to make sure that if there is any impurities in the flour, then we can catch it. Sugar, salt, baking powder. As you see, it's nice and clean. This is homemade dahi. I have a video posted on my channel how to make a dahi at home, which is curd. And I'm going to use 4 tablespoons. I'll bring this one so you can see it more clearly. Add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. Four tablespoons dahi. Now we're going to add milk. Make sure your hands are very clean. Now mix it. This is the perfect measurement. Knead the dough for a couple minutes. After kneading the dough for 3 minutes, it's nice and smooth. You see, this is how the dough looks. So now you basically fold the dough from top to bottom, just like this. Add little oil and make sure it's nicely folded. You place it inside the ball and also do the same thing. Put a little oil on top of it. Get a plastic wrap, cover it. Make sure it's nicely sealed. So now we're going to place the dough inside the oven. That's the best thing to do for 2 hours. Not going to start the oven. So we'll place it right in there and we'll come back after 2 hours. After resting the dough for 2 hours in oven, we're going to take the dough out, add vegetable oil on the tray and make sure that it's nicely coated at the bottom, and we're going to flatten it on all sides. It's nicely pressed out with the help of fork, and we're going to poke it at multiple places, just like this. This is how it's gonna look. With the help of brush, just put a vegetable oil on the corner edges, just like this. And this is the pizza sauce I'm going to use. It's called the traditional pizza sauce. So we're going to put the sauce and make sure that it's nicely covered on the dough. I'm going to use Pizza Blend shredded cheese, and this one has a cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese. Then I'll be also using mozzarella cheese. As you heard the beep, the oven is preheated at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 232 degrees Celsius. So I'm going to keep half mozzarella and half other cheese. As you see, oven is preheated at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 232 degrees Celsius. And we're going to place the tray right on the middle rack, and that's our cheese pizza. So once place it in, we're going to close it. And as for the time, we're going to set the time and for 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes, it will be all ready. So as you see, it started 9 minutes 56 seconds. So that's how it looks. So we're going to come back after 10 minutes. We're almost done. As you see, it's all done. So I'm going to dismiss and cancel. And if we look at inside, the cheese pizza, very deliciously looking. So it's a good idea, before you take it out of the oven, let it sit another minute. Then we're going to take it out. We waited another minute. Now we're going to take the pizza out. And we're going to place it right here. Cheese is nicely crunchy on the sides, and if you look at the bread, is also done. So pizza is nicely cut through, and if you look at, very delicious. This is our cheddar cheese, and that's the mozzarella. Please try it and you're going to like it. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye. This is so easy to make and it's super delicious. Cheese pizza.